Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Sony speaker with Android smartphone. And to do this you will need to open a Bluetooth on your device, then power on your Bluetooth speaker with this button right here. Then hold that same power button for a few seconds. You should hear Bluetooth pairing. Now move on to your smartphone and look for available devices. You can refresh the page. Now it should be visible here in a second. Click on it and then pair. And now you successfully paired your speaker with your smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.